Gross. 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 I should have brought another t-shirt.
Yeah. Still some fluid in it, is there?
Yeah. Oh, all over my stomach. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is from Yankee Boy Basin this past September. Sadly though, I didn't film much of the trail because me and Dewey were just taking a nice chill day, simply enjoying the trail and the views. I wish I had recorded more of the trail on both the way up and down, but it simply wasn't on my mind at the time, so you'll have to wait until my next visit to your raid to get a proper video of Yankee Boy, hopefully without any incidents. I hope you find this video entertaining and at least partially educational. Well, the curse continues. The end of my good week. I hit a rock on my transmission. I cleared this rock coming up, but I did not clear it coming down. It was embedded right here. I caught it, rolled up, then punctured my transmission. I can't believe this. I can't believe this is happening to me right now. So this awesome fellow here, Corey, has volunteered to take me up Yankee so we can recover this Jeep and get this off the trail. So this will be a good day. This is one awesome rig he's got here. I can't wait to ride in it. Can't wait to see it going back up the trail. Looks like this is done. Yep.
Hard time trying to get a wheel and tire lift over there. So.
Yep. My spare is not easy to access right now.
Mine is, but it's big and heavy.
Yeah, there's only like 100 pounds of crap on top of it right now. All right, I think that is all the bolts. There it comes.
There it comes.
Gotta get it out of the pump.
What's that?
There we go.
Ready for the new one?
Ah, gross. 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 I should have brought another t-shirt.
Yeah. Still some fluid in it, is there?
Yeah. Oh, all over my stomach. Give me one of those towels.
Oh, that's awesome.
Awesome.
Sounds like you got the pan removed.
Yeah.
Pan's laying here.
Pan is removed, and it doesn't appear anything is damaged.
I was going to say, looking at the pan, it doesn't look like it got into anything.
Yeah, it's just...
You got a face full of fluid?
Stomach full of fluid.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's where the pan's cracked right there.
All down my pants. That's why I brought a shirt that's already stained.
You see the crack? Yeah, crack's right here.
Yeah. See why I didn't quite want to try and plug that?
Yeah, you'd have a hard time getting it sealed up enough to get all the way down.
Yeah, especially with how much fluid was still in it. Like every time I wiped on it,
yep,
it would just kind of seep back around the edges. So I'm like, I'm not getting a seal.
I've done lots of transmission services.
I haven't done any.
You've never done one?
No.
They're not really trail tires, are they?
No. All seasons. Okay, there it's seated.
Pop in?
Yep.
Yeah. So it's a rubber over
yeah.
it. You have to push it to get it.
The who what?
So there's an engine dipstick over here.
Yeah.
There's not a fill tube. It is very strange.
Yeah, because it's a fill plug on the side of the unit like a diff.
Right.
It's really weird, but
So like the earlier transmissions, the NAG ones that were in the SRT car or SRT Grand Cherokees and the V6, because like in this position where we're nowhere near level,
Yeah.
you know.
Now I was gonna put as much as I can in here and then start it up, see about cycling some of it in.
Yep.
I was gonna get it, turn it on, park, reverse, neutral.
Yeah, well, that's just it. Put it in neutral, let it run as, you know, get everything full, and then just run it through each individual gear just to make sure there's gears fluid and clutch pad.
This is going way smoother than
You guys go.
I thought.
To the top.
Sniffles?
Ask him how the rock climb was.
How was the last 1,000 feet is quite a steep climb, isn't it?
It sure is. That was definitely it's not these secrets.
Yeah.
Did your car have an issue?
He ran over a rock over there and went right through his transition.
Dang, you know what? I have a Grand Cherokee that I was thinking about driving up.
Well,
Yeah, he went all the way up and then
You see the rock with the ATF?
it was driver error.
Yeah.
It was totally driver error.
no operator here.
Yeah, but oh man. It's hard to navigate.
It is.
But I'm an error-prone operator. It's also white. Yeah. What year is that?
21.
Oh, okay. Well, are you guys all friends?
Actually, just met today.
That's great. Well, okay, good luck with your Jeep repair, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You guys are like,
Hopefully, I'll pass you here soon in a little bit.
sounds good. If you're done before we're done walking, you can drive it.
I've got room.
Instead, we got room.
Just at the outhouse, not too far.
About a mile.
Yeah, you guys will probably get done before I am.
Beautiful day. I'm happy to do it.
Good for you.
Good luck.
The age, right?
Guys, have
I
fun.
hope everything works out.
Thank you. Have a good day. These bolts are going in way like this. From some of the descriptions, I'm like not on a lift, laying on the rocks. It's going to be a pain in the butt.
Oh no, they should, as long as they thread in straight, they should thread in almost all the way down.
Well, it's just getting to them. But like,
use your fingertips.
oh, I am right now doing like,
The front ones.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm moving it like a 1/16 of a turn at a time.
Yeah.
The problem is like now stuff is covered in oil,
Yep.
and I can't really
Not
just
yet.
kind of
Well,
move it with my fingers too easy.
Yeah. 10 of them, 9 of them should be pretty easy.
Yeah. Crap.
Oh, I heard that one drop.
All right, where did it go?
A QR code on the inside. Yes, there's a QR code on the inside. Yep.
All right, where did it go?
Yeah. Did you lose it?
I didn't hear it hit the ground.
Oh, well, that's a skid plate bolt.
You have a skid plate under it?
There it goes. All right, found it.
Found it.
It's laying on top of the cross member.
That's how they, I've seen
I'm actually really surprised by this right now because
many vehicles parked up there. I thought he had it.
this is going way smoother than I thought it would.
Well, a
Because I
lot
haven't
of
tried
this
to-
stuff is really made to be easily serviceable. So it's not usually too hard.
I haven't tried to fill it yet, but
Yeah, well, the fill may be the fun part.
there isn't even a drain plug on this pan.
No, and that's you actually drop the pan to drain the transmission. It really sucks.
Oh, that's a mess.
It is. They make great big
Or you hit a
transmission
rock.
drain pans. Or you hit a rock.
We hit a rock.
They're
Well,
efficient at draining.
well, that didn't drain it super efficiently
No, but
because there's still a lot in there. If we go up to the top, I'm leaving this here. We'll pick me back up on the bottom on the way down.
So we'll head up, or you're going to drive down?
you just want to go up to the top with us. And
I'll go up to the top with you guys and then come back down, and you guys can follow me down just to make sure I'm good. All right, last bolt. I think.
you think?
All right, let me check this. That's good. that. There's that guy.
All right.
Now I need M8 Allen.
What?
An M8 Allen.
M8. Look at that. The Allens have ball ends on them.
This is what the skid plate?
Full plate.
Is the skid plate back on?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm not gonna worry about the skid plate till it's. I'm good. Oh my goodness, this is in there.
Double your leverage.
Ah,
Oh, that sounded like it hurt.
just on the sound was it breaking, but then I hit the plastic pan and the.
The only time I've ever used transmission fluid for anything was to preserve a meteorite. It keeps nickel iron meteorite from rusting.
Yeah. Well, any good oil will, but the transmission fluids are typically dyed red to separate them from power steering fluid. This, I got to tell you, for trail fixes, this one hasn't gone bad.
No,
Yeah, no kidding, right? We're not done.
we haven't tried to move it yet. But in theory, that's all it needs is just the pan and fill.
Yep.
Man, this pump really does it.
Dude, these pumps work good. Weird though that it's an automatic transmission fluid and it's not red.
Yeah, I was expecting.
Come to think of
Okay,
it,
that's pouring really good now.
is it pouring out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would go ahead and let's stop there.
Come on. Come on. Pushed it in there far enough to.
That's what I said, 5 or 6 quarts. I'd be surprised if it took more than that.
So put the plug back on and then turn it on.
I would, yeah, probably, because I just don't know how this plug's going to work.
Get in it, we'll cycle through the gears and do this again.
This again. Well, I bet a transmission skid's in your future.
Oh yeah, that's first thing I'm looking up when I get home.
Yep.
I just assumed, like, I glanced under here, but I didn't really think too much of it, that there
Yeah.
wasn't a skid.
Well, and they're tucked up pretty high, but
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's a couple inches above both of these skids. I should be okay
right till you roll a rock into it.
until I start rolling a rock around. Yeah, I'll spill this one all over the place.
Yeah, let's not.
There goes your same thing again, fire it up.
No. Once we do it this time, everything else should be pretty full.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna call that.
Fluid pumping?
Yep.
Okay.
All in all, that went really smooth.
It did. I was actually pretty happy with that.
Yes.
I'm impressed.
All right, where's the Allen? Here we are.
Yep, both those are empty, and this one's full again. So,
All right.
only took about
all
another
right.
quart from where we were.
That's as tight as I'm gonna get that.
Okay.
And I think that's that.
Is it an O-ring seal or?
So it appears successful trail repair so far. The check engine light has gone away after a couple on-offs, and it is moving under its own power. So hopefully this is done and I don't have to worry about it. Well, we are off Yankee Boy. We are down onto the gravel. We are passing the mine. So I'd say so far successful trail fix. When I get back to the camper, I'm going to check the fluid, make sure it's all good. But I'm happy. I'm relieved. I'm not happy. I'm relieved that this actually worked well. And I'm driving home. Huge thanks to Corey for bringing me down to Montrose. I know he wanted to go ahead and he was planning on doing the trail today anyway, so I was just a passenger along for the ride, but special huge thanks for him wanting to come out and do that and bring me up here and and stay with me until the Jeep was fixed. Yet again, this is another perfect example as to why you never wheel alone. If I would have been alone on that trail with no cell signal again, it would have been a bad day. At least in Turkey Bay, I had spotty cell signal, but here there was none. So guys, please, you might be confident in your rig, you might be confident in the trail, but you never know what's going to happen. That was just a freaky dumb luck thing, and I was out of luck. So guys, please, if you can find someone to wheel with you, wheel with someone else. Don't wheel alone if you can avoid it. So that's my little PSA, guys. Massive thanks to Dewey from Colorado Mall Crawlers, because I would not have got off the trail apart or fixed without his help. So dude, you are amazing. If you guys have not checked out his channel, go check it out at Colorado Mall Crawlers. He has some awesome trail guides. He is a really cool dude, and check him out because he deserves lots of love for everything he has done to help me out and the community in general. So thanks, man. I always owe you big time after these trips. One of these times we will break the Dewey and Fearless curse and have a good solid week, have a good solid trip. But it is what it is. Thanks again, man. You're the best. Home sweet home.
Oh, that's right.
Seems like the trail fix worked. Transmission pan is nice and replaced and working well. So these guys were awesome to shuttle me all the way down here up the trail. I know you wanted to do the trail anyway.
I did.
But it was just icing on the cake to have someone that willing to take me down. So it worked. It was great, and I really didn't mind riding that awesome rig. That just looks amazing. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep on jeeping.